Hello. Today I'm going to teach you something very important about Digital Adverts Limited. Let us log in because I'm already a member. Then we can be able to know how to make money with Digital Adverts Limited. Because most people have been inquiring how to make money with this app. I'm going to be giving you a detailed information today how I invested 100,000 Ugandan shillings in this app and how much I have made. All you need to do is to invest 100,000 Ugandan shillings, come and watch adverts, accumulate as much money as you can. You will watch adverts till you feel that you have made a lot of money. Let me give you an example of Capital Chicken, which is always advertising on our application of Digital Adverts Limited. Remember, you make money as early as 30 seconds. In only 30 seconds, you'll be making some money. You'll be making yourself money. So after that advert, we shall go to another advert. I want to show you how you make money with this application. This video is going to be a little bit detailed. I'll show you how I invested 100,000 Ugandan shillings onto this app, and I made over 2-point-something millions of money. Okay, let us proceed. You have seen the nature of the adverts. That is the nature of the adverts. It only runs for about 30 seconds and you get paid. With this kind of information, I have been talking about the adverts for about a year, and I make money every day. The adverts will be endless. Adverts, you will watch as many adverts as possible, and you'll be earning a lot of money. So imagine how long you can stay watching these adverts and getting paid. You will take as many hours as possible watching these adverts and earning a lot of money. Yes, so the issue of adverts, I will not go so much in details about these adverts. I have made money in adverts. We have what we call the open market. Today I will not go so much in that, and now you can make money in what we call open market. Let us go to the website so that you can be able to see that this money is truly available. So I will go back to my dashboard. Yes, I will go back to my dashboard to show you that it is true in digital adverts people make money. Okay, now we have just logged into the website. So on the website here you can see what they are saying. Account balance 50,168 shillings. Total earned, I want you guys to be so keen. This is what my account balance right now, what I have. Total earned, that's 1.2, meaning I invested 100,000 and so far I have made over, yes, it is 1.2. That's the money I have so far made. As we proceed, you will see I have 840 something. Let us proceed down because I want to show you that this is an application which is making money. Beyond that, let us go to what we call my finances, because I want you guys to be sure that this money really comes out. You invest your 100,000, watch adverts and withdraw your money. Okay, let us start from here. So you can see on 24th I withdrew 40,000. Yes, I will be directing you where this is so that you can see. On 24th I withdrew 40,000. On 17th I withdrew 15,000. And still that same day I withdrew 10,000. 28th May 54,000, right? On 16th I withdrew 15. On 11th I withdrew 23,000. Let us proceed, because me, I have made a lot of money with the application, and many more people have actually made money with the application. We withdraw our money. Every time you feel like you want to withdraw money, you withdraw your money. this is the money that I have so far withdrawn on this application. As you proceed, you will see that I have reached a point where I actually withdraw some good money. That's 74,000, 74,300, 74,300, 84,000, 60,000. Imagine this kind of a business. I invested 100,000. All I do is to watch adverts. With this kind of proof, let us proceed. You can see this is the same number that it is showing you paid, right? It is showing you that I'm always paid. Every time you make a withdraw, they will show you that you are paid. Let us take this. Paid, right? It is paid. Okay, with that kind of information, I'm sure wherever you are doubting, you have now gotten a good kind of true story from somebody who is actually running the application. Remember, you invest 100,000, watch the adverts, fill surveys, do the company profiling, do whatever you can do, and start making money. Imagine, you invest 100,000, and I have made so far 1.2. What is behind this? I have several accounts, but today I only talked about that. So you can see how much I earn every day. This is 29th. This is actually the day. This is today, right? So this is today. This is only today. So let us scroll down because I want to show you that digital adverts is not a very difficult business. So on 29th July, this is 1,000, 1,000, and another 1,000. Let us proceed deep into this kind of business that really money is coming out. 29 is 29, 1K, 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 3 shillings. These are commissions. Yes, you can see these are all commissions. Imagine 28th, 1K, 1K, 2K, 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 2K. And this is really a very big list that we cannot exhaust today. But all in all, I have a link in the description. All you can do is register under my link, activate your account with 100,000, and start making money for yourself. Beyond this, I'll leave my number. You'll be seeing it on screen. Call me, ask me how you can start making this money right in Uganda. And whoever in Kenya, you're welcome on board. You can be able to make as much money as you can. The app is not limited to anything. On top of that, you will just say thank you. Watch the video, rewatch it, make sure you understand the application, then make for yourself money, right? Make for yourself the money, because there is a lot of money in the country, and only the wise will see it. Remember, you invest 100,000 and make money. The app has very many benefits, and I don't want to go so much detailed into all the benefits. We'll stop here. Thank you. Make sure you register and enjoy. Yes, make sure you register on the app, activate your account with 100,000, and enjoy the rest. Thank you.